The new Kia Sportage Hybrid is here, and it's redefining what a modern compact SUV can be. With its bold design, advanced hybrid powertrain, and upscale interior, this vehicle blends practicality with personality in a way that truly stands out on the road. From the very first glance, the Sportage Hybrid grabs your attention with its aggressive front fascia, signature boomerang-shaped LED running lights, and sleek aerodynamic profile. The sporty yet sophisticated stance is complemented by 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, sharp body lines, and a high ground clearance that screams confidence. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling weekend adventures, the Sportage Hybrid makes a statement wherever it goes. Under the hood, the new Sportage Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with a 44Q electric motor and a 1.5Q lithium-ion battery, delivering a combined 227 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the hybrid system doesn't just boost fuel economy. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a surprisingly upscale cabin packed with high-end materials, soft touch surfaces, and a modern, minimalistic layout. The dual panoramic 12.3-inch displays for the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system provide a seamless, high-tech feel, while features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and premium Harman Kardon audio ensure you stay connected and entertained. The Kia Sportage Hybrid isn't just about looking good and saving fuel. It's packed with intelligent safety features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot view monitor. Add to that a composed ride, agile handling, and whisper quiet cabin, and you've got an SUV that punches well above its weight class. It's efficient, it's comfortable, and it's loaded with tech. The new Kia Sportage Hybrid is clearly designed for the future, and it's ready to lead the way.